Hi and welcome to our tutorial on a Twisty Updo braid. This is quite a simple braid. It looks a little tricky, but it's quite simple. So you take a ponytail and put a plait into the ponytail and tie it off. Next, you actually take a section and split it in two and twist it up toward the braid. And then you add a section of hair to the top and twist it. And take another section of hair to the top and just twist it. Continue that around until you reach the plait. Then with that little twisted piece, you take a section of the plait and pop 2 fingers through it, like that, 1, 2, and pull that through and secure that in. That section there on the other side will also be incorporated into this side when you do the twist. With this twist, you must go the opposite direction, twisting it towards the plait. Continue on both sides. You can do 2 sections, 3 sections. We have a shaved piece out underneath here, so we're continuing just with the 2 twists and then connecting them into the plait on both sides. And then we're going to pancake everything out and pull it out. So take your 3 sections then and just continue to plait that down. We're going to pancake this out, secure it with a tie, and then we loosen all the pieces out to actually give it the texture that you want. To make this a sleeker look, you can actually pull these out really large and then pin them in. But for this look, I wanted a little bit of texture with a bit of twist, so you can also see where we're going with it. So we pancake it all out and then turn that into like a nice little side bun and just securing that. My tip with pinning is less is more. So if you just secure that up, you use your bobby pin closed and you just pin it. Here I've only used 2 pins, and now all I'm doing is just pulling it out for a little bit of texture. To finish it off, I use Infinity Spray by White Sands. The link is in the bio down below, and I love using White Sands for any of the upstyling. It just simply makes it easy to hold, easy to brush out. It gives you a better finish to work with, so you can actually just sleek the hair over. As you can see, I've just done this in slow-mo. It just makes it, it's a finer spray, so it makes it just that little bit easier, but it gives it great hold. Plus it's a drier spray, so it doesn't leave the hair looking or feeling wet, so you can instantly just smooth and piece pieces out. Attention to detail is always the key, looking for that perfect shape so that your hair and your style always sort of looks and has that nice silhouette, dimension and shape. Thanks for watching. If you love this, please subscribe to our channel. Just support our channel, give us a thumbs up and a like, and we'll see you next time. Thanks.